Baby daddy.
Period.
Hey, baby. Babe. My king. Hey, son.
All right, tell him, baby, calm down. I'm coming home.
Baby, calm down. I'm coming home. Are you ready for me? Oh, are you ready?
All right. Use the cup on me. Use the cup. And dress it very well. All right. I want you to, your forehead to touch each other. Let your forehead touch each other. Your forehead. Good. Your nose should touch each other. Your mouth should not touch you. Just pray for each other. Pray for each other. Anything that puts their hand, go walk, go